Hey guys, thanks so much for stopping by my channel again. Today we're going to cover 5 tips and tricks in under 2 minutes. Tip number 1. When creating your free edge, create it with the desired nail shape in mind. If your client is wanting a coffin or a square shaped nail, build out the free edge with that shape in mind. Stiletto, build it out with the point in mind. This will save you a lot of time when you're filing and finishing the nails. Tip number 2. Whenever you are working with any kind of glitter or encapsulated design elements, be sure to create a clear base so that you don't have to go through the motions of removing any old color or glitter when you are changing the client's design on their maintenance or fill appointment. Tip number 3. Whenever you're doing a sculpted extension, be sure to pinch a C-curve into the free edge to build more structure and strength. Tip number 4. When you are applying the cover pink portion of your pink and white ombre, apply them in smaller pearls so that you can achieve a smooth blend of pink and white color. Tip number 5. When you are doing a pink and white ombre, make sure that you keep and maintain a thin white tip and build up the nail structure and apex with clear. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and find me on social media at Polished Hawaii. I'm on all major social media platforms, or find me online www.polishedhawaii.co. Thanks guys, see you soon.